If you have just opened that business, then you should be as excited as I am. But you know what is next? Now it's time to make money. But in order to make money, what do you need? You guessed it, customers. Today, I'm giving you top tips that have been proven to work to get customers into your new business. Or maybe you haven't yet opened that business, but you are soon opening, and you're like, now when I open this business, how am I going to get customers to come to my business? My business is not known, and I'm not known. So how exactly am I going to get these customers? Well, this video is going to help you with just that. Alright, starting a new business and trying to attract customers is like being a girl who has seen a boy she has fallen in love with, and she has to find a way of making sure that the boy loves her back. And you know, there's only one strategy that most businesses use to get new customers, which can be compared as a girl attracting a boy she loves. And that is the KLT strategy. The K stands for no, L stands for like, and T stands for trust. For that boy you love to love you back, first of all, they must know who you are. They must know you and who you are. And then they must like you. After they like you, then they should come to a position where they must trust you. And once that happens, then the two of you could fall in love and maybe get married. Well, that's actually how new businesses attract customers. And everything I'm talking about today rotates around that KLT strategy of attracting new customers. So here are the practical steps that you can actually take to attract those customers to your business. Number one, you want to have a grand opening. Now, in that grand opening, you can give out what we call introductory discounts or freebies. For example, you can say, buy two, get one free. Or you can say, come with a friend, buy one, get one free. Or you can say, if you come with a friend, the friend gets 50% discount and get 20% discount during your grand opening. This can bring you loads and loads of customers during your first time. And once you are sure of what you are selling or what service you are offering, your aim is to make sure that these people taste how good your service is or how good your product is. And once they like it, then they are most likely to come back and even bring a friend. And that is how your new business is going to get customers, or even your old business gets new customers. Number two, ask for referrals. Once you have a few customers who have walked through your door and they are satisfied with their service or they are happy with their product, then don't shy away from asking them to refer you customers. In fact, if you are in the kind of business where this is allowed, then you can actually give them incentives. You can say, once you refer me a client, you will get this kind of commission. Or the client you refer is going to get this kind of discount. And that way, you can actually get customers into your new business. Number three, recontact old customers. Actually, a lot of online stores do this, and even some supermarkets where customer registration is done and maybe they are given loyalty cards or something. Once they realize that you have not shopped with them for some time, they send you beautiful messages of how they are missing you and how they are missing your business. You can actually borrow a leaf from this. If your business is the kind where you take customer details, then when you have realized that this customer has taken some time without coming, then you can contact them, give them a call, send them an email, WhatsApp message, text them, whatever means that you can use. Contact this old customer and talk to them and find out why they are not coming back. And maybe you can even offer them a deal. If you come back and shop with us, we shall give you this kind of discount. This surely will make sure that not only will you maintain this old customer, but they are likely to talk about you to their friends and refer it to their friends, and that way you are going to grow your customer base. Number four, network. It is often said that your network is equal to your network. or the other way around. Your network equals your net worth. Your associations, the people you relate with, will determine your progress in life. So go out there and network, but do not be selfish going out with the attitude of what is the need for me. Instead, you should go with a go-giver attitude. Go with the spirit of what can I give? How can I help somebody? In your local organization, with your fellow business people, send a customer to somebody, and just maybe that person may reciprocate and send you a client also. But even if that doesn't happen, it sells you, it makes you know. You just introduce yourself, even if it is in a PTA meeting or any community activity that you're going to participate in. Be sure to introduce yourself and offer to help somebody's business grow. That way people will keep you in mind, and in case somebody needs your service or product, they will think of you and they will surely do business with you. Number 5. This one cannot be overemphasized at this time and age. Make your business available online. Even if you are making chapatis or you are selling sweet potatoes, please make sure that that business is available online. This is the easiest way to get customers who are already looking for your product or your service. Most people tend to go online when they are looking for something. So make sure that your business is on Google. Make sure that your business has a Facebook page, your business on WhatsApp, TikTok, and all those other social media platforms. That way, your business can be easily found by people who don't know where you are, but they are looking for your kind of service or product. Number 6, partner with complementary businesses. For example, if you own a bookshop, you can actually partner with schools such that you market to each other's customers, because the customers of a school are the same customers of a bookshop. Another example would be if you sell baby clothes, then you can easily partner with another business that sells maternity clothes, because you know after maternity the next is babies. So the person selling maternity clothes can easily recommend your business to their customers, and maybe you can even offer a discount. That once you are being preferred by so and so, they get an automatic discount. That way you will build your customer base and your business will grow. Even dental clinics like ours can actually partner with medical clinics, or a medical clinic partnering with a laboratory, because their customers are the same but they are not competing businesses. So that way you can actually quickly build up your customer base. If you are getting any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, please make sure you don't leave without subscribing and turn on that notification bell, because more interesting things are coming your way. Number 7, find ways of promoting your expertise, especially if you are not known or what you are selling is not known. Your service is not known, your products are not known. You can do this either by volunteering, for example, to speak in a workshop or in a panel, or writing posts and blogs on social media or online which talk about your kind of service or your kind of products. That way, you will establish yourself as an expert in your field or in your industry, and people will come to trust you. Remember, they have to know you, they have to like you, and to trust you before they can do business with you. Because doing business with you is equivalent to getting married in the example of the boy and the girl. A good example would be my other YouTube channel. In case you didn't know, I have another YouTube channel in which I talk about dental issues, simple solutions to dental issues that you can apply at home, or what you can do in the case of a dental emergency. Now, that YouTube channel is a good example, because there a lot of people are going to get to know that I'm a dentist and I offer dental services. And once they get to like what I present in those videos, they are more likely to do business with me than if they didn't know me at all. So you can also do something like that and see how far it takes your business. Number 8, you want to brand your business well. Well, branding is not a topic that we are going to exhaust. Even if you dedicated this whole video to the subject matter, we won't be able to exhaust it. But here is the thing. Make sure that your business is visible. Make sure that you have signage, you have good paintings, and everything else that you can do to make sure that your business is visible. In addition to that, even if your business is offline, make sure that it has an online presence. This will improve on the visibility of your business, and this is likely to attract you customers. Number 9, market your business well. Marketing is also another wide subject, but in our case of small businesses, we can just put it simply as tell your friends that you are opening a business even before you start. Let it be known that you are opening a business. Talk about it physically, talk about it on your Facebook page, talk about it on your WhatsApp, and let people get to know that you have a business. Make just like that, you could get customers to your new business. Now, you can add on other. See you in the next video.